Katie is buying edging for a triangular flower garden she plans to build in her backyard. If the lengths of the three pieces of edging that she purchases are 13 feet, 10 feet, and 7 feet, will the flower garden be in the shape of a right triangle? So we're going to be using the converse of the Pythagorean theorem here, which says if our three sides of the triangle work with the Pythagorean theorem, meaning if using the Pythagorean theorem creates a true statement where the two sides of the equation are equal, then it is a right triangle. So the three sides that we're given here are 13 feet, 10 feet, and 7 feet. And when we're doing this, all we have to make sure of is that our hypotenuse, our long side, is the 13 feet. So 13 feet has to be the long side. That's going to be our C in the Pythagorean theorem. Just quick refresher, the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And c squared has to be the longest side, which in this problem is 13. Or c has to be the longest side. Okay, a and b are interchangeable. They've got to be 10 and 7, but it doesn't matter which is which. So we'll do, let's just say A is 7 feet and B is 10 feet, just like that. So now all we're going to do is plug these three values into the Pythagorean theorem, substitute these numbers for A, B, and C, and then just see if what we come up with is a true statement. So we'll replace the A with 7, so 7 squared plus our B is 10, so this will be 10 squared. And our C is 13, so 13 squared. You can use the calculator if you like, but I don't think you'll probably need it with numbers this small. But for sure, use the calculator if you're not sure. 7 squared is 49. 10 squared is 100. And 13 squared is 169. So the only question we have left to ask ourselves is 49 plus 100 equal to 169? And the answer is no. 100 plus 49 is 149. So the equation that we come up with is not valid. This is not a correct equation. 149 is not equal to 169. This is not a true statement, meaning the flower garden will not be in the shape of a right triangle. The flower garden will not be a right triangle because it does not work. Those three sides do not work with the Pythagorean theorem. And the converse of the Pythagorean theorem says if it does not work with the Pythagorean theorem, it cannot be a right triangle.